Nope, not that one. Yep, we'll take that one today. With all that slippery crap that they use in the winters. After covering it in gravel. This is why I don't drive my Jimmy usually in this kind of weather. Ooh, starting to spin. So I know this is probably the worst time in the world to ever be doing what I'm doing. But you know, you got to live your dreams out. In a time where the entire world is turning to electric cars. All of SEMA is going electric. The whole world's threatening electric, electric, electric. The next 10 years, we want to get rid of all this fuel-consuming garbage. Well, I have a 78 Jimmy with a 461 big block on nitrous hooked onto my jet boat that has a 461 big block with a supercharger. I don't think they've solved the electric problem in these yet. I'm sure it's coming. But yeah, this was my plan. Nothing but big blocks and everything. I love my big blocks. Apparently they're a collector now. Good thing I have so many of them. So I'm getting sidetracked. I'm supposed to be working on the dually right now, but it's the first time I've ever got to hook on my Jimmy to the jet boat, and it has the supercharger in it. Getting close, getting close. Gonna be exciting summer next year, that's for sure. I guess we should go work on a dually now. Oh yeah, we got a beauty today. We have a 2000 Toyota Corolla with 307,000 kilometers on it. It is a POS, and it actually doesn't stink. The first beater that's ever come home, and it doesn't stink. What are we doing with this thing? Well, a friend of mine needs it for a commuter car. So, do a little quick service, change the oil, take it for a test spin, make sure it's okay for him. Sometimes you gotta walk through the weeds before you get to the flowers. Oh, ho, ho. Listen to the power. I've never driven a Toyota Corolla in my life. Yeehaw. Shocks are pounded out of it. It's got a squeaky belt. that's great on fuel. And it's actually going to go over to Coquihalla this weekend through the snow. Good thing it's got winters on. I wouldn't want to drive through the snow. I'm sure it'll be just fine. Wow, actually runs pretty good. Still got the factory Toyota deck in it. Never been messed with. Really, we just want to know if the e-brake works, don't we? I'm pretty sure it works. Wow, works really good. The best part about a beater is the e-brake. Better go park it. It's good to go. Now we got to go to the shop. It is a Saturday. I don't like working Saturdays. I like my weekends off. But always behind as usual, so got to work this Saturday. Get the roof on the Jeep. The Jeep is in paint now, so we have to get that thing together so it can leave immediately because we have 2 more vehicles coming in. We have the crashed Mustang and a Dodge Dakota coming in to paint. And somehow work on the jet boat and the dually this week. So, going to the shop to do a little bit on the Jeep today. Not that. That's what we want to look at today. The little Jeep is almost done. Very excited. We just got the roof on, which means I can finally do a review on this roof. Fits wonderfully. It's very snug at first. But you can watch the review if you want to hear about that. But look at that. So I believe Tuesday we'll film a feature. We should have this thing completely buttoned up, back together. Still got to paint all the flares. Got to find a light bar somewhere for it. Add a light bar to this thing. But it's looking good. I'm so excited to see it finished. I love it when the vehicles are coming together right at the end. Well, that's it for today. Let's go home. See if I can get in this thing while filming. Whoa.